All right, hey, I'm Danielle Flynn, and this is Mayor Rhaesa of Wayne. Wayne is the city of the week with WCSX, and we're out here for the big Wayne cleanup. Now, my usual crew, Joel and Steven. Steven's probably sleeping right now because he's lazy, and Joel's got plans out of town, but Lynette has been nice enough from our friends at Wayne to help us out with Healthy Wayne. That lady, we're going to be talking to you more this week, Lynette, so we look forward to that. But Mayor Rhaesa, so you're out here. Dude, I got to say, 9 a.m. bright and early. I don't know what time you exactly got here. That's when I rolled up. But, you know, it's a Saturday morning, and you're out here ready to work and help make Wayne better on a very basic level. Just picking up trash. Dude, this is how you do it.
Well, I think you're absolutely right. I mean, you got to find ways to get residents involved, and that's how you make a difference. The people make the difference.
Yeah, and it's showing the example, but I've been dying to say this. You're trash, son. That's what all the kids are saying on Fortnite. See the teamwork that's going on? Actually, Mayor Rhaesa and I aren't working that hard yet. The Wayne Fire Department, those guys are the ones that are getting it done. They're dragging leaves and they're getting rid of garbage and all kinds of stuff. I'm just kind of drinking coffee right now and hanging out with the mayor, but I don't want to hold up the work, and we do need to get to it. So we're out in Wayne this week, City of the Week. Ooh, don't forget, they got a cookie stroll coming up over Mother's Day that's going to be really nice through the downtown, and you've got further park cleanups coming up.
Absolutely. We got park cleanups almost every weekend. Go to cityofwayne.com and you can find out more about those.
Awesome.
There's a link on there that you can get more information.
So if you're missing out on the fun today, don't think you missed out for the whole year. Come on, Wayne, let's get with it. We're cleaning up parks, and we're doing this as part of Healthy Wayne to help out with people so that they can get out and enjoy the beauty of Wayne and get healthy, man. One of the easiest ways you can do it is just by walking. So do it. Why are you in front of the... Would you get off the Facebook? Get out and do something, would you? We're live with WCSX. Go walk.
Yep, see you soon.
Right? Pick up some trash.